And I'm at Attridge Road in Chalet. And along the side track is a whole maintenance of way work train. I decided to come down here and just walk along here. And here's a maintenance. It's maintenance of way train basically. Here's a maintenance of way car. There's actually rails on the flat car, so this stays on here all the time and it loads the cars up. And here's a cool New York Central car in NYC. A lot of gondolas. Well, they use the old ones. All the beat up ones. So you can see there's stuff in it. I'm gonna touch one up close. Touch. It says, actually these cars have spikes in them. Like for track nails. There's some cool box cars up here actually. Alright. Cool box cars. It's got the door on it. This is pretty old refrigerator car. There's a New York Central kind of box car. It's got the double doors, but it has a door. It's got a surveillance camera inside it. It's got the garage door. And here's this car. And these are all more gondola cars, maintenance of way cars. Amtrak's coming. 64. All these cars are all spike loads. But the thing is, I thought there was going to be some EMDs hooked to this. But sadly there isn't. So that's pretty much it.